Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Cecil here with a video here today, bringing you guys, of course, the 2018 best free fonts for designers. And yeah, bros, I know you've been waiting for this video for a while. Trust me, I try to get all the fonts that I currently use in the past 7 months and whatnot. And yeah, I promise you're gonna find at least 3 or 4 of them that you're just like, if you don't have already, you're just like, thank you so much, Seth. So no problem, bro, I got your back. So of course, as always, the links are separately. If you guys want to just choose a font that you kind of really liked, I have the links to that download straight to dafont.com through BitLink. Otherwise, you can go to the bottom of the description and you can see like a download full font pack thing, and I'll have all the fonts you guys see in this video in the description down below for you guys so you can download. And yeah, as always, guys, it'll help me very much, and all the future designers out there as well looking for some pretty cool fonts. If you guys just leave a like on the video, also possibly just comment down your most used font of 2018. Let's just see if there's others out there that I personally don't know and you guys might actually check out if you guys see it in the comment section. So also, if you see like the same one that you might have went for, just like kind of like, you know, leave that little like on that comment so you can kind of get up there in the comment section. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching, and you're just gonna watch my great one take, because your boy, you know, I got super high off that because it was just like, yo, I did that in one take. Come on, let's be honest. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at CecilHQ, and hope you guys enjoy all these really dope fonts. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of 2018 for the I guess 2018, what is it called, the end of 2018 font pack. Anyway, so that'll be it. I'll see you guys later. CecilHQ out. Enjoy. Alright, guys, so naturally your boy's going to start off with his own personal font, you know, that font that almost has approximately 100k on Dafont. Also, of course, you know, happened to take the #1 spot on Dafont downloads on this own category. Just saying, your boy. Anyway, so it's really good fonts, really fun, like sci-fi-ish kind of font. I created it for the community, and the community has killed it and made it one of the top fonts on Dafont. So it was super dope. If you haven't downloaded it yet, that happens to be mine, so go check it out. So yeah, really first up is Aero. This font is more or less for some people who like to work with gaming designs. I personally use this a lot as like a nice cool sub font, or kind of like to break that professional font, because it's a very professional looking font, but it has this beautiful kind of like, how do you call it, italic, plus like really nice curves. I really do think that this is one of the top fonts that you're gonna be seeing me use quite a lot, and you're probably gonna get tired of it, so at least you guys know the name of it. So yeah, Slim Lines, this one right here happens to be a really good one that I personally use for anything when it comes to like esport advertisements, because a lot of the time when you're working at advertisements, you of course want to make sure you have the product being like the, you know, the front line, the focus, but sometimes it's really hard to fit dates with fonts that are very like long and horizontal. But this is a really nice vertical font and works really well for like dates and stuff like that, so you guys will see me use that a lot for my advertisements. Gang of 3, that happens to be a really cool one. I just thought of this. I looked at like one of my favorite brandings of esports teams, like 100 Thieves, and I just thought like having it, like I was looking for a font that would complement their logo because I was just working on a separate project, and I found this, and I just think this is like, it's just like a gem. It's like one of those really clean fonts that also has that, I guess, Japanese, Chinese, I don't know, characters, and looks really dope. But it's just like, it's just sick. It's just no way you don't want to have that in your arsenal. Next is Moonget. This is a pretty much straightforward, just sort of like bolded, like kind of I wouldn't call it sans serif, just like a really nice serif font here. And this is just something you would use for like a really cool main text for like a header or whatnot, and just looks very cool. And I just wouldn't mind you having this either, because there's one. That's it. That's all I got for this one. Just gonna casually wait till the next one. There we go. We got Kong font. This happens to be just another cool one that we're gonna be using in another future tutorial. I've been practicing a lot. I've been doing a lot of, I'm gonna give you to you guys real quick though. It's how I'm gonna be making some really cool brush sort of like fonts. Like I was speaking of 100 Thieves before. Remember, if you like look up 100 Thieves logo esports team, you see how they have that really cool like almost like brush like font, like logo. This is the font I'm gonna be teaching you guys and learning how to use so they can actually make that cool kind of effect. Anyway, Burbank, has this. If you don't have this font, then you're definitely not a gamer, because it's the Fortnite, basically the closest to the Fortnite font that you can find on Dafont. And honestly, it's just super sick. There's no other reason why not to have it, especially if you do thumbnails like I do. Just make sure you guys have this font in your arsenal. If not, I mean, this is probably like a given. I don't even know why I put that in there, honestly. Downtown is a really pretty new pickup for me, and I just really wanted something that was kind of more, like I said, vertical before, but also just gave it a little more, there's a little something different. And I haven't seen this font used quite a lot at all, so I honestly think that you're gonna have a fun time with this one, and you're gonna get definitely a lot of people will be like, yo, what's that font? It's Downtown, homies. So there you guys go. So yeah, I think up next is Rainbow. So I actually use this font a lot because I had to do thumbnails for T Martin when it comes to I guess his what do you call it, the obviously Rainbow 7 Rainbow 6, Jesus Christ, Rainbow Six Siege font. And I just found this and I thought it would look really good for other projects as well. So I don't know, I would definitely try it out yourselves. It's kind of like a really smallish kind of font, but it works in a lot of ways. Another vertical height one, which is really good to use for advertisements. So last but not least is the Mont font. And this is something I saw quite a bit ago on my Behance projects as a related font for like Quantum and whatnot. I don't know why, but I saw this and I wasn't quite sure if I really wanted it or not. But I've been using a lot of Gotham Black, so this was kind of like a nice little compliment to that kind of font, but also just on its own level. And this looks really good for any kind of clean professional work, and I would definitely advise you guys to check that out. So yeah, that concludes that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do not forget to hit that like button as always, guys. And of course, the fonts in the description down below are all there for you, or the video, the fonts in the video are all in the description down below for you guys want to download. And that includes your boy's font, the Quantum font. I'm still so proud of that, and I cannot wait to make my next font. It's gonna be super clean, promise that. So yeah, just thank you guys so much for the support on the videos that I always have when it comes to, like, you know, helping you guys out with stuff like this, like fonts, stuff like that. If you guys want to check out my previous videos, 2017 fonts or best fonts of 2017, those are also on my channel. You guys want to go ahead and check those out. And as always, guys, leave you guys to that. Don't forget to keep smiling, stay positive, and stay freaking productive, guys. Later. So that's the way to you out. Said it backwards. Whatever.